Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shorewood, or near Minooka, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Channahon, Minooka, Crest Hill, Shorewood, Ingalls Park, Fairmont, Rockdale, and Crystal Lums. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no